Today, I'm going to put logo projectors in the bottom of this Audi A3 door. What's happening, Panda Nation? Tbrand Panda here. So we have some lights at the bottom of the door. It's a bright sunny day, so it's gonna be hard to see here, but they're just called puddle lights. They give you a little illumination on what you're about to stand on. But the little light at the bottom here is replaceable if you are so inclined to replace them with a logo projector. So what I did was I picked up a set of projectors with the Audi ring logo so that I can be reminded that I drive the cheapest Audi in their lineup. So what I want to show you here is how to get the old lights out and the new lights in and see if they work. So before we put them in, I just wanted to show you what they look like. So I think down here, this whole piece would be normally illuminated, but you can see there's a little projector in there that will have the logo and then the housing and then a plug here. So hopefully that will be the same type of plug that it goes into, but we will see if I need to use one of these over the other. Hopefully it'll be pretty self-explanatory. Now, to get the existing light out, I think all you need is a little flathead screwdriver to kind of pry it out here. But I just have a screw bit because I'm too lazy to go get my screwdrivers. And it just comes out like that. Now on this one, it looks like this little connector is pretty small, so I think it's just going to plug into the top one here. So hopefully that's all I need to do is plug that in just like that. Well, I can tell you it's working already. It's daylight out here, so it's maybe a little hard to see, but I've got that Audi logo down there right now. So now I just need to kind of tuck this back in here. Tuck that back in up like that. And just press it all the way in. And it doesn't get any easier than that. Of course, at night, I think that's going to look a little better. We'll check it out in the dark. All right, it's finally dark out, so now we can see what it's like when you roll up to your A3 with little projector lamps. Boom. Man, that is sharp, too. That's crazy. It's just a little thing. It's a little vanity. But if you think it'll improve your life a little bit to walk up to your A3 with the Audi ring logo there, then I'll put a link to these projectors in the description below. Tbrand Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.